Pakistan! Zindabad! Pakistan! Zindabad! What up, everybody? Hope you're having a phenomenal day. We are back on the move. It's time to say goodbye to Islamabad, although I've already stayed here like 2 weeks and I'm coming back in like 5 days. But it's ciao for now, but not goodbye forever to Islamabad. I'll be back, I'll be back. A few weeks ago, I was a Pindi boy. Today, I'm gonna be a Bahria boy. We're headed to Bahria Town, just about 30 minutes away from Islamabad here. I'm gonna be staying in what's considered a luxury apartment. Y'all ready for that luxe life? And after we're done checking out all that, you better believe we're gonna walk around the neighborhood and try to find a place to chow down at, to eat some tasty, tasty food. So we're gonna wait for our Uber driver right now. Swerve, it looks like we've got some traffic on the way, so it's gonna be about a 44-minute journey to Bahria Town. The cost of this Uber was just about 800 rupees, which is about $4 USD. Let's take a look out the window and see what we see. Check this out, y'all. They've got like a Topgolf set up over here. I wonder if we're gonna have to check that out. Entering Bahria Town. Wow, looks super fancy so far. They have that big gate kind of welcoming us. Looks like we got a security checkpoint up here. Yeah, I dig what I see. We got a lot of buildings under construction too. Are those hotels that are being built and like condos and apartments? Whoa, I'm kind of getting major Florida vibes in this place. We got the palm trees, at least I think those are palm trees. I dropped out of horticulture class. All right, we have arrived. That was quite a long journey. Traffic wasn't that bad too. Bahria Town a lot farther from Islamabad than I thought it was. And here we are, Bahria Active. So the actual name of the place I'm staying is called Holidazzle Apartments, which is kind of funny to me because back where I'm from in Minnesota, there's a parade during the winter. That's called the Holidazzle Parade. That's like a bunch of cars all dressed up in Christmas lights and stuff. Oh, we got a Wild Wings right next door. Okay, kind of in this little shopping area here. There's a Keta Gulshan Cafe over there. Mr. Baker. Definitely gonna grab some baked goods later. Well, let's go on in and see if we're at the right place. Assalamu alaikum. Lunchtime. Oh, nobody's here? Oh, okay. Well, I guess nobody's here to check me in. Okay, my assistant just showed up. Aapka naam kya hai?
Jangi.
Mera naam Brent. Nice to meet you, my friend. Acha. And we are on our way up to the Holidazzle. This building, just from the outside, looks super fancy. It feels super fancy. What's your favorite Pakistani food? What's your favorite Pakistani food?
I am no speak English.
No speak English, it's okay. Best food? Chicken biryani?
Chicken biryani.
Acha?
Korma.
Korma.
Mutton.
Oh, mutton. Yeah. Love myself some korma. We had that at that Kashmiri restaurant a while back. Shukriya, my friend. Shukriya. All right, here we go. Somebody is cooking something good on this floor. Maybe it's the Wild Wings below me. Like, it smells like crazy fried chicken in here. Oh, assalamu alaikum. Oh, shukriya. Wow. Taking the shoes off. Look at these marble floors. Whoa. Seating area. Wow. What? Look at this. This is too dope. Wow. Fresh water. Shukriya, my friend. Whoa, we got all the kitchen amenities, that fan kicking in right away. Okay, the nice housekeeper has left. He wanted to show me some of the other apartments in the building that the owner owns. Also, the owner messaged me, says his mom is in the hospital and not feeling well. So let's send some prayers up and hope she recovers quickly, inshallah. All right, we're gonna roll right into the bathroom, one of the most important rooms, of course. We got a lot of cleaning essentials in here. Okay, wait, I think this is the second bathroom actually. So this is the smaller one for like the guests, classic bum gun. Yeah. No reason to really spend much time in there if we've got another bathroom. Closing that. And man, the living room, so well lit. The fan sounded like a hurricane. I had to shut that off. We got the AC booming. We're gonna go out and check out that view in just a second. Nice sectional couch, tables. We got refrigerator, freezer, water dispenser, kitchen. Man, this makes me feel like I want to cook. Everything you need, I think they got here. We open these bad boys. Oh yeah, we got the pots, the pans, the glasses, microwave. Oh, the stove. This is by far one of the nicest places I've stayed in Pakistan so far. Man, I feel like I should have came here with a group of friends. Could have thrown a dinner party. Wait, who's that? What's going on the TV here? All right, let's take a step outside and see what we're working with. Oh, right away, this view, stunning. Oh. All right, let's see. We're gonna peel back the screen. Oh, I'm gonna try this way. There we go. Oh, check it out. We got like this AstroTurf, like the fake grass to sit on. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Acha, as we say in Urdu. Good, good. Look at this view. We got the palm trees down there. We've got, looks to be some sort of like ravine or some area where the little body of water. And here it is, Bahria Town. We're staying in phase 1 extension of Bahria Town. Apparently there's 8 Bahria Town sections altogether. There's where we came in, the Mr. Baker, let's celebrate, the Keta Gulshan Cafe, and all these other apartments. This place is so nice. Really, really impressed. Definitely gonna spend some major time sitting outside and catching some rays. And as soon as we get done checking out the bedroom, we're gonna go head to the pool and the gym. All right, shut that. Great episode, one of my favorites. Let's go into the bedroom now. And I mean, just like the upholstery, like the rugs, the sheets, the blanket, everything is like really well designed. My guy was nice enough to bring me a chair so I could work at the desk properly. He's got a lot of work to do here. Almost everywhere I've been in Pakistan, they have these like blackout curtains. Me, I like a little sunlight coming in to wake me up in the morning, but you might feel differently about that. Closet space, we've got a dresser over here. I mean, seriously, you could, with that other room over there too, with 2 beds, you could fit a family like 10 people up in here. Oops, almost tripped over those. What? TikTok? No way. TikTok sandals, it's a sign. And then we got the much nicer bathroom. This is where I'll be using the other bathroom. No need for that. We got your bum gun. Let's check the pressure. Oh yeah. Powerful. A washing machine. Oh my God, my clothes are so dirty. Definitely using this. Oh, and it has English instructions too. About to be a madman washing these clothes. And then of course we got the shower. Wow, really nice tile floor in here. Woo! Holiday as a hotel. I'm digging it, I'm digging it. The cost of this was $45 a night. Oh, and shame on me, I know y'all wanna see a bed test, but my ex-girlfriend instilled in me that you shouldn't go on the bed with outside clothes. And the relationship didn't last, but that little bit of knowledge and advice stuck with me. So I'm gonna wait till after we go to the gym and the pool, and then shower, and then gonna hit y'all with the bed test at the end of the video. Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? How are you? Oh, this guy hanging out at the D Urban Lounge, salon and spa, male and female, next to the Studio 9 men's salon. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Assalamu alaikum. All right, well, we got some time to kill. Who knows what's gonna happen? Why don't we wander our way into Mr. Baker here and see what they got? Oh wait, huh? There's a Pizza Mania right here. Hold up. They got some like mac and cheese up in this thing. Oh, okay. Chicken tikka mac and cheese. Malai tea. Okay, done. We're doing the mac and cheese. Which one though? The chicken special? I don't want it with mayo sauce. Oh man, this one's got shish kebab with the sausages, cheese, and black olive, and apparently a 10% discount. Okay, that's what I'm all about. Yeah. What is the name of this place? Well, let's go in and find out. They got cakes too. All right, I think I want that Malai tikka. Yeah. Should we do that one? Or should we do the chicken special? Let's do the chicken special. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? How are you? The food very good? Acha food? Should I get the macaroni and cheese? Yeah? Okay. I'll do one special mac and cheese, regular, small size. Shukriya. And then we got the bakery over here. My man, assalamu alaikum, brother. Wow. Got all my favorite treats that I've seen all throughout Pakistan here. I had these are my addiction. We got some donuts, we got some cakes, and then we've got, a bunch of like noodle salads and stuff. Okay, it looks very similar to a lot of the other bakeries that I've seen here in Pakistan. So we've got the sandwiches, got like the samosas. My main man over here with the smoothies. Ooh, assalamu alaikum, brother. Is this halwa? Halwa puri. Halwa. Oh, that's the halwa. Okay, my man just put the mac and cheese into this giant like pizza oven contraption. Ooh, there's a pizza over there. I'm kind of regretting not getting one of the little pizzas. Those look tasty. And of course down here we've got, I don't know what the heck this is. I've seen a few of these. That's got to be like chicken cutlets?
Yeah.
Chicken cutlets. They're chicken.
Yes.
Ah, interesting. Okay. Very nice.
This one. This one.
This one, very good?
Yeah.
Very good. And it's got like peppers and tomatoes on top, eh?
Yes.
Is it sweet?
No.
No.
Chicken cutlets.
Very nice. Uh-oh, disaster strikes. The power is out. The oven has lost power. It'll come back on soon though, right? Yeah? Okay. Minor hiccup. The power always goes out here in Pakistan. Everywhere I've been, it doesn't matter what hotel, it always goes out at least 2 times a day. No big deal though. We just adjust. We're in no rush. The very nice employees in there told me the power will be out for 30 minutes, which in Pakistani time means it will be out for at least an hour. So really can't stick around, unfortunately, for that. It looks like the power is out pretty much everywhere. I wonder if it's out in the apartment too, or I don't know. With that amount of money in those apartments, I get a feeling they've got like got some backup generators or something. All right, well, I'm gonna pull up Google Maps because I'm starving. I'm very hungry right now. I'm gonna find the nearest restaurant. We're gonna make moves there. Yo, let's check this out. From what I could see on Google Maps though, it looks like we're along this river here, which really looks like it's been dried up, unfortunately. I wonder if at one time it was flowing pretty heavily. Okay, we got some debris here and stuff. Yeah, and from maps, it looks like we can walk all the way around. Oh, we could even go down there if we wanted to. We got some cows grazing in the distance. Really cool backdrop. Google Maps tells me I'm about a 20-minute walk away from a restaurant that I've never been to, but I see it's very popular here in Pakistan. I've seen a lot of them. Here's a hint. It's gonna be cheesy. If I can't get my mac and cheese fix, we're gonna get the cheese fix another way. Didn't intend for this to be a first impressions of Bahria Town video, but here we go. Look at this. I've never seen anything like that. Look at all those birdhouses. And there's tons of pigeons living, congregating, and eating in there. That's outstanding. That's a really cool piece of architecture. I mean, everything so far that I've seen in Bahria Town, really well manicured, very green, very lush. Oh, we got some cool camel statues over there. And then this big kind of statue, or kind of monument in the middle with a giant clock on it. Really digging Bahria Town. I think I'm gonna have to stay longer at this stage. Man, what was I doing staying in G13 all those weeks? I could have been here. Not sure what's going on. It looks like we might be leaving Bahria Town. No idea. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Crossing through a security checkpoint here. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Can you come in the vlog?
Aapka naam kya hai?
Zirab.
Zirab. Cool name, man. What's your name?
Asad.
Assad. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah. Pakistan. Zindabad. I say it in almost every single video, and I'll say it again, but the Pakistani people, they cannot get more nice. I mean, they're just some of the sweetest people in the world. Okay, this walk went from, oh cool, new parks, new neighborhood, green grass, to I'm just dying in the sun, walking down this super busy and really dirty road. But we made it. We're at Cheezious. I heard this is one of the most popular pizza chains in Pakistan. Finest taste ever. That's a bold claim, y'all. Assalamu alaikum. That's a real bold claim. Finest taste ever. Compared to what? This is like the pizza district, because there's a Papa John's over there. There's another pizza joint over here. And we're going to Cheezious, baby. Oh, it looks nice. Looks like a very modern, clean place. Assalamu alaikum, brother. They're open from 11 a.m. to 3 a.m. Love a late night pizza place. All right, let's go inside. Wow, they got 55 staff members in here. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. I've never seen so many employees in a restaurant. Wow. Pakistan. Islamabad. Nice to see you guys. Acha. Wow, we got a lot of pizzas. What's the best pizza? Crown crust?
Yes.
Can I get a crown? Okay, I'm gonna go with that. Can I get a small?
No, regular size.
It's regular size.
We have no small sizes.
What is crown crust?
Crown crust our specialization.
Ah, okay. Oh.
Which one is the best selling our point?
That looks really nice. The crown crust. That's a lot of food though. All right, hot and ready. The pizza has arrived. I went with the hot and spicy. We went with the personal pan style. My friend here is going to cut me a slice.
Yes.
Oh, I'm excited. That looks really nice. Pan pizza, deep dish style almost. Ooh, big slices.
This one is cheesy with loaded cheese and chicken.
Very cheesy. Oh, cheese and chicken. Man, that looks amazing.
Enjoy your
Shukriya, my brother. Thank you, bro. And here it is, the hot and spicy. I think this was about 600 Pakistani rupees, maybe just about $3. Could have been a little less. Looks like we got some onions. They said we've got some chicken, tomatoes on top, and then it seems like a couple jalapenos that have fallen off the slice. Here we go. Pow. Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mm. Oh, whoa. As expected, cheesiest. That did not disappoint. Okay, a lot going on. That's good cheese. That's really good cheese. That cheese is better than you're gonna find on a Domino's pizza. That cheese is hitting. A lot of chicken. It's kind of like ground chicken. It's got a very spicy flavor to it, but I don't know if the spice is coming from the jalapenos. It's hearty though. It's a nice spice. I'm really digging the crust too. It's very buttery. It's really thick. That is a nice crust. It's got a nice crispiness to it too on the outside, but very kind of like doughy on the inside. Yeah. This is a banger of a slice of pizza, y'all. Cheezious Pizza. Really nice. I would crush this again. I'm definitely gonna come back and try that crown crust they recommended when I have a bigger appetite or I have some friends. This, really solid pizza. The cheese was super flavorful. The pan crust was banging. A good amount of really juicy, really tender, ground up chicken. Jesus, really good. Major shout out to the staff at Cheezious. These guys were so nice. Thank you again, my friends. Shukriya. I'll see you soon. Yeah! Oh, bed test time. Okay, that was pretty good. Solid mattress. Comfy. That's all that really matters. And that's that. Really hope you enjoyed our first couple moments here in Bahria Town. Major shout out to the staff at Cheezious. Those guys were so nice. And the pizza was bomb too. When I give a food review, I never speak with hyperbole. I'm always 100% truthful and honest. Even if they're standing right next to me, I gotta be real just for y'all. But that was good pizza. I would definitely go back again. Regretting a little bit that I did not order the bigger one just because I got back home and now I'm hungry again. Whatever. Stay tuned for more episodes from Bahria Town. My name's Brent Timm from Bahria Town, Pakistan, and I'm saying ciao for now.